In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Zendesk. Whether you're a seasoned customer service representative or just getting started, Zendesk's intuitive platform can help streamline communication with your clients. Now, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your message gets delivered in the most efficient way possible. First, go ahead and open the ticket you wish to respond to. This is your starting point in Zendesk, where all the customer details and communication threads reside. It's crucial to ensure you're addressing the correct ticket, as this will prevent any confusion or mix-up later on. Once you have the ticket open, you are ready to compose your response. Next, look for the reply editor within the ticket. Here, you'll have the option to choose between public reply mode and internal note. Make sure you select public reply mode. This is vital because only messages sent as public replies will be visible to the customer, enabling you to communicate directly with them. Internal notes are great for leaving notes for your colleagues, but they won't be seen by the person who raised the ticket. So, double-check that you're indeed in public reply mode. Now you're all set to type your message. Craft your reply thoughtfully, addressing the customer's concerns or queries with clarity and professionalism. A well-written response can significantly affect how your service is perceived. Take your time to ensure the message is concise and free of any errors. If necessary, refer to previous correspondence within the ticket to make sure you're providing a relevant and thorough answer. Once you're satisfied with your reply, it's time to submit it. But wait, this step involves a crucial decision. Zendesk offers you several options when you click Submit. The choice you make here will determine the next state of the ticket. If you're expecting further interaction or responses from the customer, you'll want to choose Submit as Open. This keeps the conversation active and your team alert for any forthcoming messages. Alternatively, if you've responded but are waiting for the customer to respond back, selecting Submit as Pending is the best course of action. This status indicates that you've done your part and the ball is now in the customer's court. On the other hand, if you believe the issue has been satisfactorily resolved with your message, you can choose Submit as Solved. This signals that no further action is needed unless the customer comes back with more questions or concerns. And there you have it, a complete guide to sending a message in Zendesk. This simple yet comprehensive process ensures that each ticket is managed effectively, resulting in a smooth workflow and satisfied customers. Thank you for watching, and happy ticketing!